self-existing, without origin, all-powerful, unlimited power. God is capable and powerful to do anything He wills without any effort on His part. Cannot be limited by stones. A day is like 1,000 years to the Lord, and 1,000 years is like a day. Pag si Lord kumilos, gagawa siya ng pagpapala. He cannot be limited by any other power. You must serve only the Lord your God. If you do, I will bless you with food and water, and I will protect you from illness. May mga bagay na si Lord lang ang nakakalam. Pero kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan mo sa ngayon, si Lord na nagligtas at nagmahal sa iyo ngayon, sasamahan ka niya hanggang sa kinabukasan ng buhay mo.